Okay, y'all, I left Abby alone in the kitchen to finish decorating her cookies. And look at a fantastic job she did. Some of them I'm not exactly sure what they are, but oh, look at that butterfly. That's her brother Aiden. Star looks perfect. Oh, that's the heart. Let me see the tree. Oh, yeah. Well, it's green just like a tree. This is pretty. It's such vibrant colors. That's a nice sweater. We're going to let those get all nice and hard so that
I hate them.
you can eat them. So what do you think? You did a good job? Yeah, I think you did a good job too. High five.
Yeah,